right, guys, this is a conversation that absolutely has to happen. This is my skin now, completely filter-free and makeup-free. However, just 4 months ago, this is what my skin looked like. Obviously, dark circles, large pores, breakouts around my jawline, uneven complexion. 4 months of waterless skincare has gotten me these results. And to me, that's incredible because I have tried any kind of skincare you can think of. I've had it prescribed to me from a doctor. I've had it recommended from an esthetician. I've had, intensive facials and treatments, and you name it, I have tried it. I've also tried the really cheap stuff, the organic stuff, whatever. And everything that I was trying was giving me these results here. 4 months of waterless skincare has done this for my skin, and it can do the same for yours. I believe that the reason I'm getting results like this is something called hydroxytyrosol. So this is the first skincare company I have ever used that instead of water as the first ingredient, they use an olive leaf elixir. Olive leaves are very rich in hydroxytyrosol, which is so anti-inflammatory for the inside of your body and the outside. It's very high in antioxidants. It's even anti-aging and anti-cancer. It's gonna give you this really nice glow, fight hyperpigmentation, and just help with any skincare concern you can think of.